so it's next day, actually it's a week later. I got the parts. Surprisingly, they were in stock, no problem, at a couple of the local Audi dealers, but it's just been kind of cold here, so I've put off changing or finishing the oil change, but we'll get to that today, and hopefully this will wrap up. I think when I go back to edit this, I will put a timer in because this is taking significantly longer than originally anticipated. So let's get to it. Alright, so finally got all the oil drained, washers replaced. Turns out the fifth washer I had to go get, I actually had the right one originally. I was looking at the wrong part number or something, so it's not even close to fitting. So it works, we're just gonna run with it. So be it. So now torque them all down, put the 100 plus bolts on the lower skid plate, sound dampening, whatever that might be underneath. Pour some oil in and see if it starts. Okay, so think everything's in, can start filling with oil. Most oil I've ever poured into a vehicle ever, and that's coming after owning turbo cars and large V8s. And yeah, this is this is gonna be interesting. So we'll start the fill. Nice thing is they actually made it so you don't really need a funnel, so kudos to you, Audi. Good job. Alright, so 7 quarts in, probably we'll put one more and then we'll start it up and let it circulate and check where we're at. Let's start it up, let it idle, see where we're at. Put a towel down because I'm sure I'm super dirty. Well, looks like, I guess it's okay. We'll just check for some leaks now. Alright, so oil change is done. Overall, not too bad. Took a little bit longer than I expected, but hey, it's a dry sump and it's not your everyday car. So now service is up to date. I'll go through and do all the filters and whatnot probably this weekend, and then the car will be ready for a trip I have coming up. You'll see some modifications start to roll around to the car soon, and it's all in anticipation for this trip. some pretty fun locations, pretty fun things going on with it. So until then, see you in the next.